Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this Italian spaghetti frittata. This is a very simple recipe to follow and I hope you enjoy it. Now let's get to the ingredient. So I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description, okay? So I'm going to be using 4 eggs, some ham, which is called guanciali here in Italy. I'm going to be leaving it at the description, okay? I'm going to be using some cheese that is called scamonza. I'm going to be using milk, salt, olive oil, black pepper, and spaghetti. Like I said, check the description for all the ingredients, okay? As you saw there, I've already beat my egg into my bowl. I added milk, cheese, salt, pepper. So after adding them, I'm going to give them a quick whisk with my hand whisker. You can use fork or anything you want, okay? So after whipping that for a couple of minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to go ahead to add the other ingredients that I'm using. So I'm adding the guanciale, which is like ham, okay? Now I'm going to also add the cheese, which is called scamozza in Italy. Okay. Then I'm going to mix up everything together. Like also when you are adding the salt, make sure you don't over salt it. So as you can see there, I'm done mixing them, and here I'm adding my cooked spaghetti. You can allow the spaghetti to get cold before using it, okay? But if you're using it hot, make sure you are fast enough, like you're mixing it fast enough, and your pan is also placed over the heat. Here I added olive oil, extra virgin of olive oil into my pan. I added a little bit too much, but you can add less, okay? And if you don't want to use olive oil, you can use butter, okay? Now I'm adding the spaghetti egg mixture inside the pan, and I'm going to spread them, make sure that everything is well laid down. I will put the lid on and leave my heat for medium, like over medium heat for a minute. So this is after a minute. I pull down the heat back at the lowest. So I'm going to put the lid on again and allow the spaghetti to that part to cook for 3 minutes, another 3 minutes. And here is after 3 minutes. I'm turning the spaghetti over. So you need to be careful to do this, okay? You need to be very, very careful. If you want me to make a slow motion video on how I turn my omelette or this spaghetti to get it in a perfect shape, let me know. I will do that, okay? So as you can see, I turn it over and I'm going to cook them for another 3 minutes also, or 4 minutes. And here we are, the spaghetti is cooked. I actually allowed them to overcook. The one you saw in my intro was another one I made also. I didn't allow that one to overcook, but both of them are so much delicious. In fact, I love this one more than the other one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.